Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of mathematics. Mensurations. Today we will see the multi-figures. Multi-figures, some surfaces. Okay. We'll go with the examples. Yes. Let us take here one of the cube. One of the cube. This is the cube. No, since a cube is nothing but all sides are absolutely equal. On this cube, the cone will be there. On this cube, the cone. Over the cone. Over the cone. This is the cone. Then, what will be the total surface of the multi-figure? What will be the total surface? For your kind information, total surface is nothing but both of the surface of the curved surface of the lateral surface, and what will be the radius of the cone? That will be the half of the side. What is the side of the cone? Sorry, what is the side of the cube? In that, the diameter also will be the same. Diameter. So otherwise, can take this one as a cylinder. The best option is cylinder. Let us take this is a cylinder, and this is a cone. This is a cylinder. The cylinder diameter and the cone diameter is absolutely equal. Cylinder and cone diameter will be equal. Maybe some height, maybe you can change. So let us take the diameter of the cylinder or diameter of the cone. Let us take 14 centimeters. This is also 14 centimeters. If this is a cube, but cube, if you will take a circle, maybe some space will be left here, like this. See, this space will be left. We can't find out. So this is the way to do. And yes, let us say this is a cylinder. Then we can do here something. So that is nothing but, so height of the cone, let us take here the 10 cm, 10 centimeters. Height of the cone is 10 centimeters. Diameter of the cone, let us take the 14 centimeters. Even diameter of the cylinder also 14 centimeter. Height, let us take that is a 10 centimeters. Height is 10, otherwise 20, your wish. Then what will be the total surface area? What will be the total surface area of the multi-figure? What will be the total? Total surface is nothing but, you should not take the total surface area formula. You have to take only curved. Total in the sense, we are adding both the figures, even the cylinder and cone. We are adding both. So we are calling as total. Both. Total is nothing but that one. But don't go with the total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but Here, in the sense of here, only curved you have to use. Curved you have to use. Okay, height we know. This is sometimes here height, slant height will give. So if you want to find out, you know the formula since if you want to find see the right angle triangle from Pythagoras. From Pythagoras, this is take, this is h, this is radius, and this is L in a cone. If you want to find out L, this is the formula. L square is equal to h square plus r square. L is nothing but slant height. L is nothing but slant height. So L square is equal to h. If height will given, if r will given, this is the formula to find out. L square is equal to h square plus r square. So now we will take this one as 10 centimeters. L is equal to 10 centimeters. Even you can take, if he will give height, you have to substitute in this and you will get L value. You will get L value. So now here L square is equal to h square plus r square. If L will not give, then we have to use that formula. Okay, we are taking directly L is equal to 10 centimeters. And now the radius is in diameter half of the part. In diameter means the diameter is 14. Height also let us take 10 centimeters. Here that. Now we have to find the surface area. Indirectly the total surface area of the figure. Total surface in the sense both, not so total surface area formula. We have to take the curved surface area. So what he given, we have to write that. So given diameter of a cylinder. What is the diameter of the cylinder? 10 centimeters given. 10 centimeters given. That is nothing but radius. Radius of a cylinder. Radius of a cylinder is what? R is equal to D by 2 is the formula. D is nothing but diameter. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5 centimeters. Radius of a cylinder and also radius of a cone also same. And okay, fine, write down that one also. Radius of a cone. Both are equal, that is 5 centimeters. Now height of a cylinder. Given height h is equal to 10 centimeters. Here height of a cylinder is 10 centimeters we took. Next slant height of a cone L. Nothing but this is also 10 centimeters. That is our, this is example 1. I am saying that slant height of a cone L is equal to 10. Now, in this height is there, L or everything, L we got it, R we got it, everything is there. Now we can find, now we have to find what is the surface area of this one. What will, if you want to cover this totally, then what will be there? So total surface area, otherwise that if you want to cover this total canvas cloth, if you want to go with the canvas cloth, you know canvas cloth is a canvas cloth is a nothing but you can see some outstation. If you want to go somewhere, the main you can see in the militaries, they will go somewhere and they will go with the terrace like this, isn't it? So they will go, they wear here the canvas cloth. So what will be the canvas cloth? How much it will cover? So that is nothing but here you have to find here what? Total surface area. So here total surface area of figure, total surface area of multi-figure. Total surface in the sense you should not use total surface area formula. This is only the total surface. Here only outline. We have to go with only outlines. That is the formula. Total surface, that is nothing but curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cone plus cylinder. Both curved surface area of cone and cylinder. Both we have to take. What is the cone formula? Pi r L. Plus what is the cylinder formula? 2 pi r h. This is the formula to find out here the total surface. Total surface in the sense curved surface. Total. Both I am calling as total. Actually, total formula of this one is another one. This is another one. So curved surface only you have to take, children. You have to take very carefully this formula. Okay, pi r. Since we know the pi value, that is 22/7. 22/7. R is equal to, we know the cone. R is equal to how much? Sorry. Radius of a cylinder. Oh, 14. Sorry here. 14. Sorry. This is 14. 14 is another. I took 14. Here it is 14, not 10. Okay. 14. Here also you will get 7 centimeters. Height of the cylinder. Okay, 10. Okay, fine. Slant height. Okay, 10. Now 14/2. That is 7 centimeters. R is equal to how much? 7. L is equal to how much? L. L is nothing but 10. Plus here, this is one box. Another one, 2 into 22/7 into R is 7 into H. This H how much? Is 10. Okay. So now do the calculation here. That is another C. This 7 get cancelled. 7 get cancelled. 22 tens are 220. Now this one also get cancelled. 22 tens are 220. 220 into 2. 440. 44 into 10, 440. Now this is totally is equal to 660 centimeters square. Add that both 220 plus 440, 664. Here diameter is 14 nano. Here 49. I got here 10. Okay, 14. Let us take here the radius. How you will find out the radius? In the diameter half of the part. So that is a d/2. d/2 is nothing but 7 centimeters. Substitute all the values in this, so you will get the result. Simple calculation. And don't do here individually. Curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cylinder. Then after you will add that one. Try to do in a one step. So very easy. So like this, you can find here the multiple figures. So we'll go with one of the problem from the textbook. What he given, write down the statements and formula. Just the curved surface you have to apply in this. If you want to cover the canvas cloth for this, the both multi-figure, what will be the area to be covered? What is the area is required? 660 centimeters square is the required to cover the cone cum cylinder. So let us go with the one more. From the textbook, you'll see. All right, we'll go with one of the question, that is, a solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end of the cone. Hemisphere, see, cylinder is there. Cylinder is there. Once again, a solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with hemisphere at one end. Hemisphere at one end, and other will be the cone. See, this is the hemisphere, And here cone is the cone. Once again, a solid is in the form of a right circular. This is the right circle. Yes, right circular cylinder with the hemisphere at one end. Hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. This is the cone at other end. One of the side is hemisphere. The other end is cone will be. So what is the next? Let me see. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeter. Radius 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Radius of cylinder is 8 centimeters. Radius of hemisphere also 8 centimeters. The next is, and the height of the cylinder and the conical portions are 10 and 6 respectively. Height is 10 centimeters. And his cone height is 6 centimeters. Once again, the radius of a common base is 8. The height of the cylindrical is 10 centimeters. And the height of the cone is 6 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the solid. What is the total surface area? Again, total surface area in the sense, only curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of hemisphere. What will be the total? Total in the sense, the combination of all multi-figures. The combination of 3 solid figures. Cone, cylinder, hemisphere called total. It's not a total surface area. It's clear? Now, so this is just write down what he given the radius of a common base. What is that radius of a common base? 8 centimeter. Common base means hemisphere it will cover, a cylinder it will cover, and also the cone. And height. And the height. But see here, okay, first write down height. So height of a cylinder. Height of a cylinder what? H1, because 2 heights are there. 2 different heights are there. One of the height is cylinder, the other height is cone. So you have to show the differentiation. You have to show the variation. H1, H2 like that you have to show. First height, second height like that. So okay, that is 10 centimeters. Next, height of a cone, that is H2. Different is there. Previously it was maybe equal. Slant height we took and another height we took. So slant height is L, the height is H. But here the both heights are H only we will call now. So that H1 and let us take this is H2. Is height of a cone H2 is equal to 6 centimeters. But here we want to take here what is that what formula you will get in the cone? Curved surface area of cone formula is pi r L. So you have to find L. Just before I said that, if you want, if he will give radius, if he will give height, I will find out L. L square is equal to H square plus R square is the formula. This is the formula. L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L is equal to root of H how much here? Cone H. Cone height will be 6 square, and radius is a common. That is nothing but 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. So add it, you will get 100. Root 100 is value. Therefore, L is equal to 10 centimeters. Got it? L is equal to 10 centimeters. So you got it. Pi RL. R value is there. That is 8 centimeters. Here 8 centimeters. L also is there. Here 2 pi R H. 2 value, pi value, R value is 8, H value is there. And here the formula for the hemisphere. Hemisphere 2 pi r square. Hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Is the formula to find out here the curved surface. Curved surface. Yes, now we have to take here directly the total surface area of a solid figure or multi-figure. We'll go with the last step here. Otherwise, okay. Nothing but here curved surface area of a cone, cylinder plus hemisphere. Cone, cylinder, hemisphere, curved surface only we had to apply the formula. So that, yes, what is the formula for cone? Pi r l. R is common. R is common for all the three categories. All the three: hemisphere, cylinder, and cone. Plus cylinder 2 pi r h1. Here h1. Okay, and plus hemisphere 2 pi r square. R is common. Okay, so 2 pi r square. Hemisphere 2 pi r. Now see, r is common and pi is common in this. So you can take pi r as a common. You can take, because the calculation part will be reduced. It will be very easy to calculate if you will take common. So pi and r is a common for all the three categories, all the three terms. 2 pi, sorry, here 2 pi is there, 2 pi is there, but here 2 it's not there. You can't take 2 here common. So pi is there, r. So pi r, you can take out common. The rest of the terms right down here. See, pi r, l is left. Here pi r is there. 2h1. Here 2 pi already I took out 1. 2 r's are there here. 2 r's are there, na? So here 1 r I took common, another r I entered here. 2 is this one, r, 2 r's are there in this 1 r, r into r square. Pi r into 2 r, 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now substitute the values of this one. 22 by 7 into r. What is r value? R value is 8. Into L. L is what is L here? What is L? L is nothing but 10. L is nothing but 10. So 10 plus 2 into H1. H1 is also again 10. Plus 2 into R. R is 8. Now calculate here. 22 and 8 2s are 16 1 176 by 7. 8 2s are. Did he given any pi value here? 1. No, here he said to take pi value is 3.14. He given here. Pi value is 3.14. 22 by 7 value is 3.14. Okay. So 3.14 into 8 into 10 plus 2 10s are 20 plus 2 8s are 16. Now 8 4s are 32. 3 left. 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11 1. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 10 plus 20 30. 30 plus this one 46. Now multiply the 25.12 into 46. Let us see here. 2512 46. Calculation is you have to do 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 6 2s are 12 1, 6 1s are 7, 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So that is 2 15 1 5 5. So you got it here. Double 1 double 555 2. How many digits later? 2 digits later dot. Here. So 1155.52 centimeter square is the final answer. 1155 centimeter square. If it wants to cover with the total surface in the sense nothing but all the three solid figures you have to combine. But you have to take the formula curved surface only. Curved surface only. That is the most important. Curved surface area of cone. Total is curved surface area of the solid figure. So like this. See, here curved surface area we have to find from the cone. Height given, radius given. Height given, radius given. But we want in cone, curved surface area nothing but L we have to find out because pi r L is the formula. So we don't know L, first find out L. L square is equal to H square plus R square, Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. That is this one. L square, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. L square is equal to H square plus R. From this collect the value of L. We got it 10. Now substitute the total surface area of solid figure, curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. All the three curved surface we have. But pi r is common for all the three categories, all the three solid figures. So I took common as pi r. So rest of the what is left I written. Just wanted to substitute the values of all the what the dimensions are given. I written. And 22/7 pi value is 3.16 given on here. Here also you can write down like this. In the textbook itself given, actually pi value is 22/7. 22/7. It is nothing but 3.1, 3.1423 something you will get. So he said to take pi value is 3.14. So 3.14 into 8 into this value 10 to 10 is 20 to 8 is 16. Add this totally 46 and multiply with the 46 25.12. You will get the result 1155.52 centimeters square. 1155.52 centimeters square. This is from the 10.2 second one. I hope 10.2 second. If you want to take the screenshot. If you have any doubts, you can raise in the WhatsApp group. I will go with one more problem. Meanwhile, take the snap. Yes. Yes, we'll go with one more. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere. This is the last question from 10.2. Last question from 10.2. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder, as shown in the figure. This is the figure. This is the figure. Scooping out, you know, the scooping out will have something, isn't it, like scooping out from the copper? We'll take this. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder, as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10, again, this is the height. This is the height. Height is another 10. Otherwise, you can take here 10 centimeters. This is the 10. Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, and the radius of the base is 3.5. Radius is 3.5. 3.5 on the radius. 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the article. Here, the total surface area of it. What will be the total surface area? What will be the total surface? See, the total surface again in the sense here, curved surface you can see the cylinder. And this part inside, two are there. This will be open, no? The copa if you want scooping. Here you can see that. Let us take this one. See here. Let us take this is the curve shape is there. This one scooping out here like this. We will have anything samia or whatever. See, this is open. Open. There is a no lid. There is a no lid here. Okay, this is open. So here, if you want to find out the total surface, again the total surface in the sense curved surface only. That is the most important. Curved surface only. Given the radius of a common base. Again, the radius of common base is 3.5 centimeters. 3. And the height of a cylinder given. Height of a cylinder. Height of a cylinder H is equal to 10 centimeters. Now, the total surface area. The total surface area. Total surface area of a solid figure. Total surface in the sense what one? Curved surface area. Curved surface area of two hemispheres are there here for your kind information. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Two hemispheres plus curved surface area of cylinder. Okay, curved surface area of two hemispheres and curved surface area of cylinder. So yes, here curved surface area of two hemispheres. Just now we completed hemisphere curved surface formula 2 pi r square. Now 2 are there, na? 2 into 2 pi r square you will get 2 into 2 pi r square. And curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Curved surface area. So in this common is pi is common, r also is common because r is common for this both hemisphere and cylinder. Yes, now you can choose 2 also you can take common here. 1, 2 is there. 2 you can take common, pi you can take common, r you can take common. What is left here? One more 2 is there. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r. One more r is there plus 2 pi r. H is common. H is left. H is left here. 2 pi r I took as common. H is left. Yes, now substitute here. Did he given in pi value? No, 22/7 only. Pi value we did not given directly. Now you can take 22/7 into r. R value is 3.5 into 2 into again r 3.5 plus h. What is h? Height 10 centimeters. You have to substitute you have to see the question very clearly. What is height, what is slant height, what is height, everything you have to go. Yes. Now 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are. 2 ones are 2 get cancelled. Once again 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are. 3.5 twos are how much? 3.5 twos are is 7. Now 2 get cancelled. What is left here? What is left here? 22 into 2 into 3.5 again 7. 2 into 3.5 7 plus 10 plus 10. So 22 into 17. 22 into 17. 2 7 14 34. So 374 centimeters square. Is it correct? 2 7 is the 14 1 2 1 is the 3 4 3 4 7. Correct. 374 centimeters square. 374 centimeter square. So 3.5 ones are, 3.5 twos are, and 2 get cancelled, remaining is left 22. 2 into 3.5 is 7, 10. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 into 22, 374 centimeters square. See the question, total surface area he is asking. To find total, but you have to apply curved surface area. Why? Total in the sense, the combination of the multi-figures. We are doing togetherly that one. That's what he is taking. He is asking to find total, but you should not take total formula, children. That at that time you have to be very careful. Total in the sense we are adding, we are clubbing that all the three figures. No, that is called total. So, but here curved surface formula, because only outlines we have to take. Outlines is only called curved surface area. Curved, what is the requirement? So, like that you have to be very careful while doing the problems. So, better complete the 10.2, the remaining problems which are most important. That is 5th, 6th, 7th. If you get any doubts, you can raise in the WhatsApp. Okay, children. And tomorrow class is the means. Next class will be the most important, which is most related to the main examination point of view. We'll go with the next class with the volumes, and also the recasting. Casting means from cylinder to cone we can change the figure. From cone to hemisphere we can change the figure. That is the most important. So we'll meet in the next class with that volume. And meanwhile, if you get any doubts, you can raise. Okay, better continue the revision part. Otherwise, the 10.2, whatever the problems are left, complete it. Practice it at all. If you get any doubts, raise it. Thank you.